That's just $55.
No, it's not.
That's what the guy told us.
All right. That's why he wanted to beat you.
Roy. Tropical dream. It's a tropical dream. Like this at my house.
This is a live video. You want to say anything to anybody?
I can kick it at my house like this all day long. Jamaica, man! No problem.
Yo, crazy.
We are in Jamaica and it just started raining.
And we're gonna do Hawaii.
Raining. And then guess what? It's gonna stop. Give it another 5 minutes. I'll be back with you.
And we're going to Hawaii next.
Our next trip is Hawaii.
Yep.
We're here at the Burlingame in Iron Shore. We're having a beautiful time. The days are passing by. We have, how many days left?
2 nights. It's Thursday. We leaving Sunday.
Thursday.
It's dance hall night of the Reggae Fest.
Dance hall night tonight.
We going scuba diving tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we're going scuba diving tomorrow. Let me show you my gear.
What's up, Society? Huh?
Oh.
You stupid.
Decide on for what?
Y'all going out tonight?
Yeah. Tonight is International Night.
We're not.
What's that you eating?
Sweet potato and chicken.
Where you get that from? They got food too. Everybody. Look at the rain.
Damn. Coming the fuck down, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. Looks like there's just some clouds that's going past.
But the cold thing is, this shit gonna be gone in about 30 minutes. It's gonna be back 95 degrees. Right now, it's still 7 degrees, and it's thundering down, storming.
And you can see the steam coming off of.
Yeah, you see the steam coming off all the buildings. Me had a waterproof camera on me show you all I got a fucking lightning. It's time to go. Me from the States, me don't fuck with this shit, man. Me out 5,000 G.